Welcome to the Paton channel. Today we will take a detailed look at the Paton StandardMIG semi-automatic machines. These devices are designed for welding a wide range of materials with direct current in MIG MAG, MMA and TIG modes, both in private and professional workshops. The series consists of 5 models with a nominal current ranging from 160 to 350 amperes. One of the key distinguishing features of the series is the enclosed compartment with a bracket for the spool, which reliably protects the wire from dust and contaminants, as well as a powerful and reliable metal wire feed mechanism with a sealed runner. The StandardMIG 160, 200 and 250 models are powered by a single-phase network of 220 to 230 volts, allow for the installation of spools weighing from 1 to 5 kilograms, and have a duty cycle of 45%. The 270 and 350 MP models are powered by a 3-phase network of 380 to 400 volts and have a significantly larger compartment for the wire spool, accommodating up to 15 kilograms. For added convenience and mobility, these models come equipped with a special set of heavy-duty wheels. These models have an operational duty cycle rating of 55%. Models up to and including 270 amps are equipped with a 2-roller wire feed mechanism, while the StandardMIG 350 model features a 4-roller mechanism with drive on all 4 rollers, allowing it to work with long torches up to 5 meters. The machines have one of the highest protection ratings, IP33, which ensures stable and reliable operation in various working conditions. Paton StandardMIG series welding semi-automatic machines are preset to optimal parameters for most tasks and come equipped with high-quality welding cables made in Ukraine and accessories from the German company Abicor Bincel, allowing you to start working immediately in MIG MAG and MMA modes. These include cables with an electrode holder and a ground clamp, as well as a semi-automatic torch. In addition, the standard package includes a quick-release pneumatic connector, a user manual, and sets of rollers. For models from 160 up to and including 270 amperes, the set of rollers is for 4 diameters of steel wire. For the 350 ampere model, the sets of rollers are for 4 diameters of steel wire and 2 diameters of aluminum wire. The series is equipped with an LCD screen and an encoder-type control, which makes setting the device to the desired mode as convenient and fast as possible. There are 2 encoders on the control panel. In MIG MAG mode, the left encoder controls the voltage adjustment, while the central one controls the wire feed speed. The mode button allows you to select the desired welding mode. MMA mode. After activating this mode, set the required welding current using only the central encoder. TIG mode. Similarly, the welding current is set using only the central encoder. The test gas button is primarily used to check and adjust the supply of shielding gas. The program and inductance button allows you to select one of 16 different programs that are saved by the machine, each with its own individual parameters for every welding mode. By holding this button down, you can quickly access the specific inductance level adjustment parameter in MIG or MAG mode. The inductance level in MIG or MAG mode is a key parameter that determines the overall softness or hardness of the welding arc. A higher inductance level means a softer arc and less spatter. A lower level results in a harder arc, but at the same time, deeper penetration. The wire install button is for feeding the wire. Of course, when feeding the wire, gas is not supplied. Basically, the adjustment of the machine's functions is primarily limited to regulating the welding current for MMA and TIG modes, or simply the welding voltage and wire feed speed in MIG MAG mode by the hardware. To unlock access to the settings of other parameters, you need to press and hold the central encoder for about 3.5 seconds. When unlocking, an image of a lock opening will appear on the screen, visually confirming the action. After this, additional functions, as well as a wider range of mode parameters, become available for adjustment. Let's take a closer look at them using the main welding method for these machines, MIG MAG, as an example. The primary parameters include welding voltage from 12 to 26 volts. Additionally, the second key parameter is the wire feed speed, which ranges from 1 up to 16 meters per minute. Regarding the gas parameters for this unit, the pre-flow gas time is fully adjustable from 0.1 up to 25 seconds. effectively protecting the entire welding area by displacing any surrounding air from it before the arc is finally struck. Furthermore, the post-flow gas time is also adjustable from 0.5 up to 25 seconds to ensure optimal cooling. It serves to protect the underlying metal from oxidation during cooling and solidification after welding is finished. The dynamics of arc ignition and termination are adjusted using the following parameters. Current ramp-up time, which can be set from 0 to 5 seconds for a smooth start without a sudden spatter of metal. The current ramp-down time is also adjustable from 0 to 5 seconds. This ensures a smooth end to the weld, effectively preventing the formation of a crater and any arc breakage. To configure the torch operation, there is a parameter called torch button mode. Use 2T for short welds or 4T for long welds. To adjust the arc, we use the inductance level parameter, which can be set from -5 all the way to +5. As we mentioned earlier, it directly affects spatter, the softness or stiffness of the arc, as well as the degree of penetration. The next parameter, smooth start or soft start, ensures a very even start of wire feeding and reduces the risk of the wire sticking to the workpiece at the beginning of welding. The pulse mode is specifically designed for stable metal transfer and minimal spatter during the welding process. In this mode, additional parameters are available. Wire material, iron, steel, stainless steel, also known as high alloy, or simply put, stainless steel. Aluminum with silicon and aluminum with magnesium. The wire diameter depends on the selected wire material and the specific rated welding current of the model. The welding voltage correction is adjustable from -5 to +5 volts, and it controls the behavior and length of the arc during welding. In addition to the versatile adjustable features mentioned, the welding equipment has two automatic functions, Smart Stop and Smart Gas. They are specifically engineered to help prevent the waste of wire or gas in case the torch button is accidentally pressed. The Smart Stop function automatically stops the wire feed if the device does not detect the presence of a welding arc within 3 seconds after pressing the torch button. And in such a case, the supply of shielding gas is also automatically stopped. This is important in cases where the welder carelessly puts down the torch and accidentally presses the button. Paton standard MIG welding machines combine reliability with a wide range of capabilities. They provide stable welding in MIG, MAG, MMA, and TIG modes, and allow you to work with various types of materials. Thanks to the expanded product line, every user can choose a solution tailored to their specific needs, from a home workshop to professional production. Thank you for being with us. Please subscribe to the Paton channel right now, give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for our very next review coming your way soon.